How to apply for unemployment benefits in Florida. First of all, visit the official floridajobs.org website. Once there, select the claimants option and click Sign Up to create your account. After that, follow the prompts to add your email, create a password, and set up multi-factor authentication. You'll also need to verify your identity through ID.me before moving forward. Next, log into your account and start a new claim. Read and acknowledge the claim notice, then enter your Social Security number and PIN. If you've forgotten your PIN, simply use the Forgot PIN option. Now fill out the application form carefully, including your previous employer's name, address, and the dates you worked there. Make sure all the information is accurate. If you are under 18, you'll need to call the Reemployment Assistance Customer Service Center to file your claim by phone. You can choose to receive payments through direct deposit or a Florida Way to Go debit card. It usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get your first payment after filing. Finally, remember to file weekly claims to confirm that you are still unemployed, able to work, and actively looking for a job. So this is how to apply for unemployment benefits in Florida. Like and subscribe if this helped.